Hello brothers, we have completed one more rig and it is being dispatched tomorrow, but before dispatch we are testing the rig. This rig belongs to the customer who already visited 1.5 months before, and this rig belongs to him. As you can see, I want to show you the inside. You see, this is a sleeper class cabin with the luxury seats. This is left-hand drive. This is a left-hand drive. Okay. It's a huge cabin. Cabin is designed as per the new technology, keeping in view of the comfort to the driver and the driller. It is a sleeper class cabin with luxury seats. Okay, I want to show you the engine. This is a bogie suspension. This is a bogie suspension. And you see the broadness of the platform. You see the platform. This is of course hydraulic tank, and this is toolbox, and that is oil cooler. The rig is completely ready now. This rig belonged to one of my reputed client. He visited us, he vouched for our quality, he has tested our quality, our features, and he vouched. He went live also on the Facebook 1.5 months before, and he drilled himself. So PRL believe in reality. We are conducting the now drilling test. This rig, briefly introducing, PDTHR 300 model with LG 300, 1100 CFM 300 PSI. This is the inside view of the truck. It is a left-hand drive. Okay. This is the left-hand drive, Ashok Leyland truck. This is a left-hand drive, Ashok Leyland truck. These are the loading hooks. This is the oil cooler. Normally other companies, other peoples give a small oil cooler. We give big oil cooler. This is a diesel tank, 600-liter diesel tank. Okay. These are the jacks. This is LG 300 compressor. Inside view of the compressor. These are the left signals and right signals lighting. Now our operator, Mr. Chandrakant Chandu, he is now conducting the drilling test. This is rotation head gearbox, Danfoss OMB 400 motor. Now we are, as a PRL policy, that every rig will test the in-house quality control pass testing parameters. We have in-house quality testing methods where we physically drill. We do physical drilling up to 50 feet, 60 feet, depends upon the. And once physical drilling is done, we will find out the rig is totally defect free, then we will pass the quality test. This is a bottom guide, 350, that is 14 inches. 14 inches. As you can see, the wire rope pulleys, we have given 350 pulleys, big pulleys, unlike others, not 300 pulleys. This is our control bags. This is our control box. We have started the truck and stage 1 checking is being done now. We have 3 stages of checkings. First, we will check the truck. Second, we have 3 stages of checking. As you can see, we started the truck. Second, we check all the hydraulics. Third, we start the compressor. Fourth, we do physical draining. Now stage 1 checking is being done. As you can see, the breakout, it's a tube adapter. This is a channel mast for 15 feet rod handling. Now drill collar, we are putting now rod carrier. We are putting rod carrier now, as you can see. We have provided a very good lighting system, keeping in view that if the drilling is taken place during nights, so we have given night lighting system, and safety measures we have taken into it. We have given ambulance light. Okay, this is the outer side of the cabin. It's a huge cabin. As you can see, it's a huge cabin. Actually, our factory is loaded with all the manufacturing rigs. So, though our area is big, but space, we are running out of space due to so many orders. The cabin is so beautifully designed in order to provide the comfort for the driller as well as the driver and any assistant. It's a sleeper class cabin with a very, very comfortable seats. So the driver, if he has to drive for long way, he will feel the comfort. This is the sitting. This is our own sitting system. You may not find this. We have given the car comfort into the truck. You see, the body is being made very strong. This is a left-hand drive truck. Okay. The lights is being installed. These are the LED lights. This is a compressor. LG compressor. See, now we are putting the guide now. I want to continue this video so that you will see every part of our testing, because maybe so many of other friends, other people, we only provide a very, very, very clean policy, very clean system of doing quality check, and we believe all our customers are our partners in business. So We believe to share everything with all our valued viewers, customers, prospects and everyone, because once we have a good quality, there is nothing to hide. We believe in that. We believe in transparency. We believe in business values. As you can see now, the rod carrier, we are now fixing the hammer. This is a trial drilling test conducted before dispatch. As you can see, the hammer. As all my friends are aware that we conduct testing for each and every rig before dispatch. And we go live because we want to inform all our customers that this is how we do and we believe. So my dear viewers, my dear prospects, my dear brothers, I would like to say that please, during this pandemic situation, we have to stay safe. At the same time, we have to work, because the life never stops. Because we believe we are responsible for providing water. We are responsible and we are committed to provide good quality rigs for our viewers, clients, for prospects, for everyone, so that they will have water. Water is life. Water is the main source of cleaning everything. Especially in this pandemic situation, it is very much necessary to have the clean water, drinking water in Africa. Now you can see now see. So stage 2 is over. We have not yet started the compressor. We will start the compressor. Now we will start the compressor. This is third stage. We have first stage, checking of the truck engine smoothness. You can see the Guzarish. As you can see the truck is on. You see, there is no smoke. This is the quality of truck by Ashok Leyland. This is the latest truck, bogie suspension. You see, there is no smoke. The truck is on. You see? You see the engine. This is diesel tank for truck engine. That is for compressor. This is hydraulic tank. This is toolbox. Okay. This is 9-speed gearbox. 9-speed gearbox. These are drill box. We are now starting the compressor. We are starting the compressor now. This is LG 1100 CFM 300 PSI compressor. Okay. This is 1100 CFM 300 PSI compressor. Well, my dear brothers and my dear viewers, I would like to tell you one thing, that PRO not only believe in qualitative product, but also believing in value for money. You know, brothers, we never charge extra to our people in Africa. We always believe that our people in Africa are our partners in business. And that is the reason we want to give the very, very, very economical price. And we have received so many appreciation from the entire African continent about the quality and about the price. And we have to thanks to God that our customers and our hard work and our quality inputs are now showing in the market, and the patronage of our existing valued customers definitely with us, and effortlessly we are trying to fulfill our responsibilities to provide and to do everything possible in our capacity. Now the hammer is fixed. We are now fueling the compressor, and we will start the compressor so that the drilling will resume. This is the accelerator, so that the driller can even give the accelerator race from here at the time of drilling in order to. This is the breakout spanner. We have switched on the light because we are testing everything, electrical part of it, hydraulic part of it. There are 2 lights at the cabin for clear visibility during night time. This is Ashok Leyland truck. On karo. हाँ. So our hydraulic test has been achieved successfully. We will start the compressor in order to resume the drilling. I know, because brother, see, the reason why we go live, because it is a reality, it is an actuality. We want to show the ground reality to all our customers. Okay, we don't do editing, we don't hide from our customers, and we appreciate receiving their comments in order to improve our quality more and more day by day. So we request and we invite, if there is any feedback, so please do give us your feedback in order to improve. We want to improve our perfection levels. We want to improve our quality every day. We want to achieve the highest level of qualities by the support of our customers and their feedback. Okay. We are trying to start the compressor because compressor need fuel. I would like to tell you that the time of shipping, as per the shipping norms, the fuel should not be there and the battery connections has to be removed. So we are trying to fix the batteries because the rig is intended to load maybe tomorrow or day after. You can see the engine, the noise of the engine, as you can see. You see the noise of the engine. You see the noise of the engine. It's a engine and with 9-speed gearbox. This truck is 9-speed gearbox, bogie suspension. This is LG 1100-300 compressor. Well, brother, I have received a message that my phone is overheating. So I need to stop and I will resume again at the time of drilling. Thank you for watching.